One of the other chapters that I talk about, these are not in the order that the chapters come, which is something I need to fix. Um, is There's a chapter called Escape, which is about the importance of working software, the importance of getting products, even if they're not fully functional, even if they only have a small amount of functionality. The importance of getting those into the hands of users, and also kind of like the value in getting things near to the outside world, even if for various regulatory reasons you're not allowed to release this thing until it's fully done and dusted. And the main kind of argument that I'm making for senior stakeholders here is that you should understand that this process of trying to get working software out to users, even if it's a minimum amount of functionality, or getting things as near as possible to users through the various kinds of live and like live environments. All of this is a strategy for de-risking the project. It's if you can connect with users, you can get feedback from users about whether this is really what they expected, about whether this is valuable. You can actually discover value that wasn't expected in the initial idea for the project. But also, by getting things near live, even if you're not allowed to actually release them for various reasons, you're de-risking the technical issues. You're finding out whether this technology actually can do the things that you're expecting it to do. You're de-risking the regulatory issues. The nearer you get to a live system, the more likely it is that various kinds of regulators and people who have non-functional requirements of your system are going to come out of the woodwork, rear their head, send an email, make a phone call, and make you aware of various kinds of regulatory issues that you maybe didn't know about. So by trying to get something as near as you can to the outside world and letting it escape, letting it be in contact with real users, again, this might seem like it's undermining the idea. It might seem like it's taking the shine off whatever was the motivation for the project in the first place. But what it's really doing is it's de-risking the product.